Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn the different type of matrix. Okay, so type of matrix and definition of matrix. Okay, first of all, we move on the definition of matrix. Okay, so here the given the definition. Okay, matrix is an arrangement of element or numbers. Okay, so matrix is an arrangement of element or numbers in a rows and columns. Okay, this is important, and the number are enclosed by parenthesis or bracket or double bar. Okay, so this is parenthesis and this one is bracket and this one is double bars. Okay, mostly use parenthesis and bracket. Okay, so we already studied in 10th standard. So this one is row 1 and this one is row 2 and this one is row 3. So R3. Okay, so this one is column 1. Okay, C1, and this one is column 2. So just denote C2. Okay, and here C3. Okay, so here given the example. Okay, so if a salesman has following the sales record during the 3 months for 3 items A, B and C. So month January, February and March. Okay, sales unit A, A and B, and final one C. Okay, so the sales unit A 90, 130, 16 and B 100, 15, 100 and C 20, 40, 30. So how to written in matrix in sales unit means, so this one. Okay, so like this matrix. Okay, the sales unit we written in a matrix form like this. Okay, so 90, 120, so R1. Okay, and 130, 50, 40 R2, so row 2. Okay, and 60, 100, 30 R3. Okay, so A, the sales items A, C1, and sales unit B, C2, and sales unit C, C3. Okay, next one, the common operations of matrix is addition, multiplication, inverse, etc. Okay, notation for the matrix. So capital letter A, B, C are used to denote the matrix. Okay, so A equal to, so for example A equal to, the matrix is 1, 2, 3, C. Okay, so the matrix is denoted by capital letter and the small letter and elements are denoted by the elements. Okay, small letters and numbers are denoted by the elements. Okay, this one is important. Okay, so next one, the general form of matrix. A equal to matrix A11, A12. Okay, you just leave it this one. Okay, we no need. Okay, so A11, A12 up to etc. A19. So here is common part, 1 is main. Okay, so that is a form of Aij. Okay, Aij form. Okay, so I is constant 1 and j equal to 1, 2, 3 up to etc. n. So here j I equal to 2 is constant and j equal to 1, 2, 3 up to etc. n. Okay, up to etc. following this like. Okay, so we also write the general form A equal to Aij m cross n. Okay, so Aij equal to m cross n matrix. Okay, or m by n matrix. Next one, order of matrix. So order of matrix is indicate the number of rows and columns in a matrix. Okay, so I just write an example. Okay, A equal to 5, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so order of matrix means, so row 1 and this one is row 2. Okay, and this one C1 and C2. So order of matrix means m by n. So first we taken a row and second we taken column. Okay, so here row is 2 and column is 2. So this is 2 by 2 matrix. This is the order of matrix. Okay, so here he is given that B equal to 5, 10, 19, 41, 49, 50. So order of matrix is, so row 1, so R1 and here R2. Okay, so this is C1, column 1 and column 2 and column 3. So is row is 2 and row is 2 and column is 3. Okay, so this is 2 by 3 matrix. Okay, the order of matrix is 2 by 3. Okay, so next one, so here A equal to 5, 10, 19 and 41, 49, 50. So this is A1. Okay, so this is A1. So like A11, A12 and A13. Okay, so here A21, A22, A23. Okay, so here A11 equal to 5. So this place A11 equal to 5 and A22 equal to 12 equal to 10 and A13 equal to 19, A21 equal to 41, A22 equal to 49. Okay, so like this. Okay, so A11 equal to 5 and A12 equal to 10 and A13 equal to 90. So A21 equal to 41. Okay, so A22 equal to 49 and A23 equal to 50. Okay, and next one is type of matrix. So first one is square matrix. Okay, when the number of rows and number of columns of a matrix are equal, then the matrix is said to be square matrix. So square matrix means order same. Okay, so we taken the matrix A equal to 3, 4, 7, 0, 1, 1, 5, 9, 3. So his order of matrix is 3 by 3. Okay, so this is square matrix. Okay, so here given the example A equal to 5, 10, 90, 41, 49, 50 is 2 by 3 matrix. Okay, so this is not, so here we taken this B matrix is 2 by 3. This is not square matrix. Okay, but A equal to 5, 3, 2, 1 is order of matrix is 2 by 2. So this is square matrix. Okay, so order are same. Okay, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4. So like, okay, next one, row matrix. Okay, if there is only one row in a matrix, it is said to be row matrix. Okay, so in a matrix only row. Okay, so only one row. Okay, only one row, then it is said to be row matrix. Okay, next one, column matrix. If there is only one column in a matrix, then it is said to be column matrix. Okay, so here only one column. Okay, only one column. So we say that this is column matrix. Okay, so next one, zero or null matrix. Okay, if all the elements of matrix are 0, okay, it is called a zero or null matrix. Okay, denoted by 0. So now we have to take a equal to 0 0 0 0. Okay, so this is called null matrix. All the elements are 0. Okay, so here also given that, so this is 0 matrix. So okay, next one, equal matrix. So two matrix A equal to Aij and B equal to Bij. So, okay, so they are equal, then we have to say that A equal to B. Okay, so matrix for example is given that A equal to 2 4 6 5 7 9 and B equal to 2 4 6 5 7 9. Okay, so elements of A and B are same, so A equal to B. Okay, so next example, if A equal to 1 6 9 and 3 10 40 9 30 50 and B equal to 1 6 9 3 xy 9 30 50. So here also A equal to B, but one condition here is given that x and y. So the value of x is corresponding to 10 and y corresponding to 40. Okay, thank you friends, thank you for watching the video.